A good hair day can really lighten up your mood. But what if your whole life is one bad hair day? Hair problems like dandruff, hair fall and dullness can make you resort to any and every home remedy to get your hair back to health. Today, we will share with you how to use onion juice and curry leaves for hair regrowth / dandruff / hair fall control / premature graying of hair. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So, we need onion. Onions contain dozens of medicinal chemical compounds that have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory actions in the body and promote good heart and gut health. Onions are added to almost every meal that we eat every day. Apart from this, onions are said to be good for hair growth. Yes, you read that right. Onion juice is one-time tested elixir that requires attention from people looking to grow thick and long hair. Growing hair is not easy, it needs a lot of nourishing from time to time, a healthy diet, and should be kept away from chemicals and colors. While it is tough to manage all this, you can bring onion juice to your hair's rescue.
Second, we need curry leaves. Curry leaves induce hair growth by boosting the restoration process of your scalp. It opens up the clogged hair follicles, thereby allowing them to breathe. Experts reveal that using a blend of curry leaves, amla and fenugreek oil is a much faster technique of inducing hair growth. In a research, it was found that oil with 7 to 9% of curry leaves extract induced hair follicle growth in just 6 days. Third, we need olive oil. For many years, olive oil has been utilized for many purposes, but a few people know the rejuvenating effects of oil when used as hair product. The benefit of using olive oil to style your hair begins with its ability to strengthen your hair. Olive oil has a moisturizing effect that nourishes your scalp, which can prevent dandruff, which is one of the causes of hair loss. For your hair to remain healthy and long. Last, we need coconut oil. Coconut oil, the peak of all oils. It's gained such a glowing reputation because there aren't a lot of things coconut oil can't do. It's one of those do-it-all miracle oils that might as well be the beauty world's holy water. Not sure what all the hype is about? Well, coconut oil has the power to burn fat, bless you with healthy, thick hair, fight off bacteria, seamlessly remove makeup, work as a whitening toothpaste, and more. Mix it well, we have to mix it well. Ready for use on your hair. How to use. Apply on hair and leave it 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse hair by normal water. Apply only 3 days in a week. Apply about 3 to 4 weeks to get result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.